And, yeah,
All
you
right,
want
the
to troll
polls
me?
already.
I'm gonna troll you. It's 50-50 in life. You control me, I'm gonna troll you. You did. So you pop out, I'm gonna pop out to like, hey, you remember me?
Yeah, that's the bad thing. Trolling is a two-way street. Like, do they not know
That's
I'm King Troll? Hell, don't wake me up for the wrong type of fucking assignment because I'll go in. I got 7 accounts
I'm
that y'all don't even know about.
I'm gonna knock on your door. Hey, you remember me? God damn, he follow. Yeah, I'm following you. Bars, man, you ain't lying. But it's all good though. You hear me? That's a life. That's life. It's going down though. You hear me? You know who channel you on. You see what you see. You hear me? I ain't gotta say nothing. You hear me? Everybody, what they say, classes in section. You hear me? What you see, don't talk about. It is what it is. Bars. That's why you gotta love your channel. You hear me? When you love your channel, you already know what gonna come with it. Haters. Or their channel just ain't never did shit and they want some attention about their channel. Boy, your channel, it ain't, It's okay. It's okay. We the best. Everybody tap in, man. We got a spider pig in the building, aka what? We the what? Come on now. We net what we call it? We networking.
24/7 networking. That's all it is. Hell, hey,
Yeah.
how you doing? Hey, how you doing?
Hey, you hear me? Hey, hater, you heard what he said?
Hey, how
Hey,
you doing? Hey, I see you. I know you looking. It says 100 views and 2 likes. So that means there was 98 haters and 2
bar.
supporters.
Thank you. They don't
Uh,
understand. You
And
just
the
need to
people that's
touch it.
smart enough know not to even leave a comment. Just go ahead and leave a like, cause hell, I know you watching.
Yeah, I love that part, man. You hear me? And what be tripping me out when they do that, I be like, dang, thank you for the thumbs up, but you could say something. You hear me? They don't want to say nothing because somebody who they really rocking with, they're gonna get jealous. You hear me? So they hit the thumbs up and gone on. I be like, man, you could say something. Don't be scared to, somebody represent your thumbs up. You hear me?
Well,
Don't be
now half the
scared.
people that like to make comments, they the type of people that only like to make negative comments. So they can sit there and watch your whole little short video and be mad that they watched your short video, and then they like, well, hold on. Who are you to even be making short videos? Because I done sat here and watched this shit, and you was in it. So this is
I
why
didn't
we
watch
sitting here
this
watching
shit.
short. Because I was watching
Yeah,
the video, I clipped me a short because I was watching the video, and that's content right there. If I like something,
bar.
I'm gonna just
Thank
go ahead.
all I can say
Like
is
I
thank
can
you.
collab with bro, and then you'll see me on another video clip with me with that collab with bro. So now it's 2 videos of me and one of bro because I'm collaborating with the video I made with bro already. Like,
Bar.
hey, I
Y'all
like the
better
video,
catch
so
up.
I recorded myself watching it because I was in the video. Then I went
J
back and rewatched
Soul.
the video. So now
Bars.
that's like 4 times I was in the video.
They
Got the
don't
views up
understand.
too.
We networking. We networking. How you look at it? Hey, stay tuned, man. Say, y'all, Spider Pig introduced the coffee bars.
Shit, you know how we do about coffee. We got that buy me a coffee. Shouts out to self monetization. You know your boy's a monetization coach. You ain't got a bag. We can work on that because you probably do something that's worth a bag. Hell, you know how I be out here in these streets. You already do stuff. Now let's go live while you do stuff.
Bars. We ain't playing no game. We networking. You hear me? J Soul, what it do, family? How you doing?
Let's
Let's
crack a lack.
go. Bars. You already know, bro. We over here networking, chilling, minding our business. You hear me? Putting
Hey,
it
like
in
I
the
said,
air.
man, I was
Putting it
just
in the air.
grabbing my little weed container when you was like, "Hey, you know where the link is?" I'm like, "See, the only problem is you got 4 different channels. Do all 4 of them got the same link? No, they don't. No, they don't. Yeah, I had to go and switch around a couple channels because
Yeah.
one of them didn't have it up on there. And then one had yesterday's link. So I'm like, see, he told me to pull up. Now I'm over here doing acrobats and gymnastics trying to
You gotta,
find that
yeah, you
link.
gotta go there. You know, like which one is he on? God dog, because you know, Kimpo, we gotta keep it pop because YouTube be trying to hate. You hear me? It's a free platform. You hear me? Anybody can get 50 subscribers.
They don't be trying to hate. YouTube's just some scammers. They just don't be wanting to pay.